Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a sketch of Chris Evans. The reference photo can be downloaded from the link given in the description of the video. I will teach you the entire process step by step, so let's start the tutorial. To draw this sketch, first of all you need to draw a rectangular grid like this, which will have 7 rows and 5 columns. The side of each square is 2 cm and I am using A4 size paper. If you will use A3 size paper, you can use 3 cm for each square, but on A4 size paper use 2 cm for each square. Let's mark the important rows and columns. So 3, 4, 5 and 6, and for the columns second and fourth. In the second and fourth column we will draw the eyes. In the third row we will draw the eyes. In the fourth we will draw the nose, and in the fifth and sixth row we will draw the mustache and lips. Let's start with the eye and eyebrow. So in the third row we will draw the eyebrow first. Draw the eyebrow approximately from the middle of this line. Now we will draw the eye. Now similarly we will draw the other eye and eyebrow. So first of all draw the eyebrow. Now we will draw the eye. Now let's draw the nose. Let's draw the nostrils. Now let's draw the mustache. Let's draw the beard here first, then we'll draw the lips. Now let's draw the lips. Now let's draw the beard. Now let's draw the hair. Now we will draw the ears. Now let's draw the neck. Now we will erase the grid lines. So guys, I have erased the grid lines and the outline process is completed. If there will be any mistakes, we'll correct it in the next part of this tutorial when we will do the shading. So watch the next part for the shading process. Till then, draw the outline. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.